It's super hot to be recording. I'm gonna take my hat off. Excuse my hair. What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon Ordagger coming to you guys with a brand new video. This might be a little something you guys aren't used to. I'm recording and I made like a little montage piece, so hopefully it came out pretty dope. But I got the Type R here. I've been messing with my Ronin RS3, which I'll show you guys right here. I just picked up an RS3, so I'm learning how to use it. So I hope the beginning of this video was really good. I just want to keep using it and make dope videos for you guys, and also make videos for other people too. God, my hair is a mess. It's freaking hot for one. But the Type R is back. The Type R is back, and there's no more dent on the door. I'm so glad that that's gone. Dude, like looking at this door when it had the dent, obviously looking at it for like every single day was super annoying. It was mad ugly too. So huge shout out to Easy Motorsport for taking care of the Type R and fixing the door. I'm not gonna make this video too long. I'm gonna try to keep it very short and very minimal as much as possible. So if you guys kind of hear the AC blowing, sorry, I'm sweating. It's hot. It's literally so hot outside. But anyways, we're finally back to making the videos. I've been on a like little short vacation, I guess is what you can say. Just kind of relaxing and kind of taking the time off to learn a little bit about using more cameras, and you know, I just picked up the Ronin RS3 yesterday, so I want to get into more cinematography stuff, so when I go to shows and stuff I have pretty dope videos for you guys. So I feel like that'll be pretty dope. But yeah, we have a lot of work to do, guys. I mean, this car is gonna be on its first show at WECFest, however you guys want to say it. It is gonna be at WECFest, which I think is like 4 weeks, and there's a couple things that I want to do before we actually get to go to the show. I want to add front camera joints. I also want to put rear camera arms, and then I want to lower the front a tad bit more, just a tiny bit more, so it looks even on both the front and side. Because right now it doesn't look too like in sync. The front looks a little bit higher than the back, and personally me, I don't like that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the beginning of the video. I don't know how long it is. It might be like a couple minutes cinematography. I want to learn how to keep using this thing and have a lot of fun with it, and be able to shoot some of maybe your guys' cars too. I don't know yet. But yeah, you know, sorry that I've been kind of like MIA, just kind of really just doing my own thing. Like I said, this is a lot of stuff that I've been trying to learn and going through and stuff like that. So as you can see, I got the coilover boxes in the back. I got to take those to storage. There's a lot of things that's going on, but I'm excited for what's to come. There's gonna be a lot of dope stuff coming, and I hope you guys are so ready for it. It kind of sucks though, like I said, with the door getting dented, it kind of pushed everything back a little bit, but it's okay. We're still gonna grind it out. This car should be going to WECFest, like I said, however the fuck you guys want to say it. It should be going to that very, very soon. So I'm excited. I can't wait to have this car up there and have it previewing at its first show. It's never been to a show, so I'm excited. But right now I'm gonna go home, edit this video for you guys. Let me know what kind of content you guys want to see as well, because there's a lot of stuff that I want to do, but let me know what you guys want to see as well. You know, I'm open to pretty much anything you guys want to see. If you guys want to see like other builds, other people's builds, other stuff like that, I don't know, we can make something happen, of course. But you know, excuse my absence is what I can say to this video. It's just with the door being down, with the door being hit, and kind of just everything, I've just been taking a little easy, taking a little break. But I'm back and I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited as well. I'm gonna try to post a new video at least once a week. If you guys are lucky, I will try to post twice a week. But as of right now, we're focusing on the 1 week until we can be consistent and make dope content for you guys. So if you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. We're back to making videos. I'm sorry I took a 2-week vacation. I was just relaxing, but we're back. We're back to making dope ass videos. So give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Dab, peace. I also wanted to add that I'm dropping new shirts on Friday at 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. The new shirts, which I'll put them right here, will be on the website. These are fire. There's going to be gas. I'm actually getting some samples made right now. I can't wait. I'm excited. But they are going to be so fire. So don't miss out. Friday, 12 p.m. Pacific Standard Time.